Welcome to Cabin 1600, the Henry Hudson Suite, which is an owner's suite that's a one bedroom on the Mariner of the Seas. This suite is located on deck 10 and it offers more space and luxury than the Grand Suite with room for up to four guests. Step into the living and dining area complete with plenty of closets and coffee maker for your convenience. The bedroom features a comfortable king size bed plus a double sofa bed in the suite for added flexibility. Enjoy your double balcony access with entrances from both the living room and the bedroom, perfect for soaking up ocean views. Step onto your private balcony, a true escape at sea. Just imagine sipping your morning coffee as the waves sparkle below or watching the sunset paint the horizon in golden hues. Spacious and serene, this balcony is where the magic of cruising truly comes alive. The bathroom's designed for relaxation with double sinks, a separate shower, and a large soaking tub, and even a bidet. At 506 square feet, inside and a balcony between 64 and 131 square feet, this suite is the ultimate retreat at sea. Be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more cruise cabin tours and travel adventures.